Let's take example of one of our customers, Viejo. Viejo is a last mile shipping that are serving both consumer, drivers, and brands who are their customers. Before now, if a brand would wanna get a demo, learn more about their service, they would need to go to the website, fill out a form, and then wait for somebody to reach out. Now imagine there were thousands of those a month that would come in, fill out a form. On the other hand, what will happen is an SDR would sit, look at all of those forms, do their reach out, do the follow-up, try to book a meeting, to end up wasting 3 hours on average on every one of those form fillers to reach out to them, to in the end find that a lot of them maybe come for support, come for partnership, come for a lot of other reasons. And then they deployed Knock. Now they started to have Knock and a form together. And the result that after 3 months they've seen that 92% of their qualified leads actually prefer to click on Knock and start a chat rather than fill out a form, which ended up that today they don't have any form on the website. It's all Knock CTA that somebody click on it, start an engagement, saving the SDR time, and tripling the conversion rate from the website because of that.